that kid's baking show. Did I break this shit? Whoa, that worked so well. I was not supposed to pour the sugar in right there. Like, I deadass just picked out pink and yellow sprinkles. I can't believe I just made this cake. Hey guys, it's MINIMALISTIC here. Make sure to subscribe to be part of the family and comment something down below because I read every single one of my comments. Also, don't skip the ads if you want to help us out. Today, I have been scrolling through TikTok endlessly and I keep seeing everyone post about these aesthetics and stuff like that. And I keep seeing minimalistic like Korean cakes. And I'm like, oh my god, I want to do that. Like, that is so cute. Honestly though, I'm not gonna lie, my favorite cakes are ice cream cakes. I don't know why, but that just hits different. Especially like the chocolatey fudge part. I want to buy one right now. Anyways, so I keep seeing these cakes and then I go to search them up and they're all like located in Indonesia or like Korea and stuff like that. And I can't purchase one. So I thought might as well make one. And you guys are gonna come along for the ride and see me fail. You guys know that I absolutely suck at baking, but we're gonna try, okay? Currently, it is 10 o'clock and I'm about to head to Walmart to pick up the ingredients to bake this cake. I don't really need that much though, but I'm also gonna go to the dollar store and see what I can find because I don't wanna buy full price pants from Walmart because that's a waste of my money. Let's go. Oh my god, it's a sewing kit. Haha, I'm so funny.
Welcome, please scan your first item.
I've never had it, but I feel like I'd hate it. Y'all seeing that right? Butter is $6.50. What the fuck? 4, 7, 4. Hi, welcome to my kitchen. So I rented this house mainly because the kitchen is so nice and the bathroom upstairs is nice, but this kitchen, unbelievable. And why haven't I filmed a cooking video? I don't know. But I came back from Walmart and like shopping probably an hour ago, and I've just been eating some chicken McNuggets and fries, and I have iced coffee because I'm gonna need it because I feel like this is gonna take a lot longer than I thought. But I went to the dollar store, I found almost everything I needed for like 27 bucks. All I needed to do was go to Walmart and get milk and butter. I hope this doesn't take me longer than like 3 hours, but knowing me, it's gonna take way longer than 3 hours, probably, but it's fine, okay? It's not gonna be perfect. I'm just gonna try to make it in under 3 hours. Anyone's parents used to just like save plastic bags in plastic bags, because now I do that because I'm so accustomed to that. Also, I bought real milk for the first time in I don't even know how long. Personally, not for me. All right, this video is gonna be long as fuck, so let's just get started. Okay, so it says to beat 4 eggs and some sugar together. It told me it has to be warm eggs, so I literally just have eggs in hot water right now. I don't know, maybe I boiled them on accident. This is my only talent. I can crack an egg with one hand. Isn't that impressive? Wifey, someone wife me up. That didn't happen, by the way. Anyways, oh my god, there's an eggshell right there. Fun fact, if you drop an eggshell, use another eggshell to pick it up and it'll pick it up super easy. Nope. Never mind. Make sure you like crack it enough on the table before you do it or else it doesn't work, okay? Just advice. Boom. And then it says to add some sugar. Sugar, sugar. Na 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 na. Oh, honey, honey. You are my candy girl. Ugh, did you guys used to watch Cake Boss? Because that shit was... What? That shit slapped. 1.5 cups. 1.5 cups. 1.5 cups. How many times have I said that? 1.5 cups. Boom. Beat eggs for 30 seconds on speed 6. With beater still going, pour sugar.
Cut the cameras.
I was not supposed to pour the sugar in right there. Whatever, we did it anyways. I was supposed to only do the eggs first and then do the sugar after, but I bring you guys over to this stand mixer that I got from Wayfair for like 45 bucks because I don't have the money to buy like the really good ones. I don't know what they're called, but like there's really good ones. My mommy had one and I used to use it when I lived at home, but unfortunately that's not the case anymore. It's a little bit ghetto because I have to turn it myself, but it was $45. I decided to pull out my mini microphone, but this is what this looks like. It's really airy and has bubbles in it. Okay, so I put half a cup of butter. I need 1 cup of milk. Oh, fuck, I should probably measure the milk first. Ugh, they deadass asked me to buy whole milk. Can I put this here? Anyways, they asked me to buy whole milk. I can't remember the last time I drank yellow milk. Like, I usually drink the pink one. If you guys know what I'm talking about. Is Dairyland only in Canada? I want this fucking open. Okay, 1 cup of milk. And then they asked me to put this in the microwave and microwave it for how long? This is a lot of work, just saying. For 2 minutes on high? I mean, I guess. Cool. Okay, it says to add the flour, baking powder, and salt together. 1. Oh, this one's done. 2. 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder. Ugh, I'm stressed. 1, 2. This is my first time actually using measuring things and not just eyeballing it. I've improved so much. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I have a 1/4 teaspoon. Oh my god, I can't wait to use this. I'm gonna use my handy dandy whisk. Having a whisk makes me feel so professional, you know? Gently add flour. Scatter 1/3 flour across the surface, then beat on speed 1 for 5 seconds. 1/3 across the surface. Okay, said don't overmix it. So we're not gonna overmix it. Let's go. Place back down. Add more. That's basically the whole thing. Add the rest. So now it says for me to add the hot milk and butter into the bowl. That's not melted. Okay, but it says to add the vanilla and oil in here. 1, 2.5, 3. Then I need to add 3 teaspoons of vegetable or canola oil, and I don't have either of those, so I'm gonna use extra virgin olive oil. 1, 2, 3. Now I need to whisk it. Ugh, I kind of need a fart, but I don't want to do that on camera. I'm not gonna lie. So I did that, and then a creepy man kept commenting like, "When's the next time that you're gonna fart on camera?" What the fuck, dude? Now I need to mix this and add 1.5 cups of the egg batter into this. So I'm just gonna wing it. Okay, that's good. Chill. Ew, this is not satisfying. The fuck? Y'all need to see this. Absolutely disgusting. Who took a shit in the toilet and didn't flush? Disgusting. This is gross. I feel like I'm doing this very wrong. And if this turns out well, I'll be so surprised. And I'm like, oh my god, it's turning out so well. And then I fuck it up somehow. This is mix vigorously. It'll look foamy. What the fuck? Okay, I think that's good. Now I should probably preheat the oven because that's what it's been telling me to do. I just haven't. Boom. So it wants me to add this to this, and it wants me to pour the milk mixture into here for 15 seconds and then scrape down the sides. So speed 1 and 4. Okay, so now it wants me to mix down the sides, scrape down the sides, and I actually went to a Japanese dollar store the other day and bought something for it, so let me show you. I'm running. I found this at the dollar store and it was pink, so I had to get it. ASMR. Wow. Okay, let's scrape it. Ew, it's kind of dirty, but I don't really give a fuck. All right, scrape down the sides. Scraping down the sides. All right, so now that the mixture's done, it wants me to grease these pans and then line them with parchment paper. So I'm just gonna grab this stick of butter and just, is this what they meant? Good enough, right? It doesn't have to be perfect. This is definitely not what they meant, but it's gonna work for now. Okay, wow. Honestly, I should be on that kid's baking show. Because honestly, I think that I would win. Just fucking kidding. But I can dream. Not bad. It's huge, never mind. Do I have to line the sides? I kind of think that I do. Okay, cool. So I lined the edges, I think. And now it's time to pour the cake batter in. Okay. I want to make sure it's even. That scared the fuck out of me. Can't waste it. Gotta scrape the sides. Now it's time to put this in the oven for 27 minutes. Oh, fuck. I'm supposed to tap it. Tap, tap. It said to tap 3 times so that the air bubbles go out. Whoa, that worked so fucking well. All right, time to do the icing. Oh, my lips are so fucking dry. Ow, that hurt really bad. So to make the icing, I need a lot of butter. I'm literally using like 2 cups of butter because we need a lot of buttercream to make this minimalistic cake. So I'm gonna add that all in there. And it wants me to beat it until it's like soft and whipped. Just like me for this one TikTok boy. Just kidding. Just kidding. Just kidding. I'm actually kidding. Boys don't like me. All right, so now I'm gonna mix the butter together for a fucking minute. Like a literal minute. Not like, oh my god, like it's gonna take so long, like a minute, like an actual minute. Jesus Christ. Holy fuck, I can't even hold it. Oh my fucking turn. Why is this butter so strong? Stop. Holy fuck, that was crazy. Okay, maybe I should have softened the butter like it said, but I mean it worked. I told myself I would finish this before 12 o'clock. It's 11:14. We're definitely on track. If I were in a kid's cooking show, I would fucking lose. Not gonna lie. Let's put this in the microwave for literally 2 seconds. This looks like shea butter. 1, 2. That did nothing. All right, I think That's good enough. Putting it back in. Oh my god, that shit was smooth. Just like me whenever I talk to guys. I'm so fucking funny. Oh my god, I should just quit YouTube to be a comedian. Comment down below if you guys would support me. I'm dead. Just kidding. I wish. Just kidding. Fuck. I'm kidding. This is beautiful. Just like me. Okay, so now that that's done, it says to add the powdered sugar in 3 lots. How much powdered sugar though? 2 pounds. Is this a pound each? 900 grams. 500 grams. Okay, so we need this and a little bit. Oh my god, I didn't mean to do that. What the fuck? Did I break this shit? I think I just bent it. Yeah, I definitely just like bent it and now it's fucked. So maybe I can only use one. All right, back to business. Okay, I'm done, but I may have made just a little bit of a mess. Anyways, ciao. Okay, so currently 12:20. Now it's time to decorate these cakes. I made the buttercream successfully somehow, and now I'm gonna put the 2 things together. To be honest, I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna wing it. Oh my god, I literally feel like I'm in Cake Boss right now, or like a cooking show. Like this is looking so well. Wow, the control that this bitch has. Am I supposed to fill this all up? I think I am. Now, oh my god, I hope this doesn't break. I put this piece on. Oh my god, I feel like I'm on a baking show right now. Like I'm being so honest with you guys. Okay, so now I need to like ice the whole outside, and then I think I put it in the fridge and then do it one more time, but I don't know if I have enough icing to be honest, but we'll see. Wow, this is the best baking video I've ever made, but I'm not done it yet, so I could just be jinxing myself right now as we speak, but I think it's going pretty well. Oh my god, this is gonna take so much fucking frosting. Buttercream, I mean, not frosting. We're a real baker now. We say buttercream. Why am I so impressed with myself? Maybe I'm just gassing myself up too much. Real bakers are probably watching this going, what the f is this bitch doing? But to me, I feel like I'm on an episode of Cake Boss. I just got a bunch of icing. Wow. Who is this bitch? Literally, someone hire her. Wow. That's so impressive. Okay, now I think it's time to put this in the fridge. Let this sit, I guess, if that makes any sense. And then put another layer of frosting on it so that it can like actually become thick and white. Oh my god. Do you guys see this? This is going really well. I mean, you guys probably think it looks like shit, but personally, I think that this is the best cake I've made by far. I'm gonna put this in the fridge. Okay, it is now 1:17. I just took the cake out of the fridge and now we gotta do another layer to make sure it's nice and smooth with no ugly ass brown showing. You know the vibes. Honestly, really proud of myself. I know y'all are probably like, this is the easiest shit ever, like what the f. But coming from someone that's not a very good baker, this is really good to me. So let me have my moment. So currently I'm trying to cover all these round spots on the cake. Maybe I should use a smaller spatula. I'm debating on if I want to put this back in the fridge and do another layer, because I feel like right now kind of looks choppy, you know? But it just doesn't look like smooth like how I want it, you know? Okay, there's still some brown on the edges, which I absolutely hate, but I feel like I'm gonna have to just deal with that. I think this is the best I'm gonna get. So I now want to do like the colors, you know, around it and then write something on it. Let me look at ideas. Frick, I am so nervous. So I mixed some pink food coloring in here and I put it in a Ziploc bag, and now I'm gonna do like a border, I guess. But I'm so scared because I could mess this up so easily and it's gonna be ruined. But wish me luck. Okay, I'm just gonna... I've never been so focused in my life. Should I quit YouTube to become a baker? Fun fact, my mom used to be a baker. So when I was younger, she would do this all the time with me. Do any bakeries want to hire me is all I'm asking. Dairy Queen even? I could fuck some shit up, you know? Okay, I just did a border. Do you guys see this? Oh my god. Okay, what do I want to do now? This cake isn't too bad. Okay, I just want to write like really simple little letters. Like subscribe. If I write subscribe, will you guys subscribe? I would really appreciate it. Okay, do I just write subscribe and then place little sprinkles around it? I found an old like gift box that I cut. It's just like a white background. This is exactly what I was looking for, but now I don't know how I'm gonna transfer this cake. I feel like I just need to put a spatula in my hands under it, but I also need to put some like glue on here, you know, so it like sticks. How the fuck is this gonna work? Just stick this under. Oh, it is the move. Okay. Oh my god, okay. I'm so nervous. Is this center? Okay. Oh my god, why am I I so proud of myself? Did I just like get better at baking overnight or something? Because what the what do I want to write on here? Subscribe? Maybe. But what color? I think I want to do maybe like pink and yellow. Maybe I'll do yellow. Okay, yeah, let's do yellow. All right, so I just mixed up the yellow mixture. Quick tip, if any of you guys are trying to do this, if you guys don't have an icing bag, or if you guys just have a tip, take a Ziploc bag, put the tip in and cut the corner, and then just secure it with tape. And then put it in the cup, open it up so that you can really get in there, and then put, oh my God, thank fuck. There you go. All right, so I'm gonna write subscribe. You know what, I'm just gonna go for it, and if I fuck up, we can just redo it again. Enjoy. Is this the middle? I'm gonna assume this is the middle. Okay, we're going. Oh fuck, I'm nervous. Okay. I'm nervous. I've never been so nervous for something. I mean, yes, but no. Ugh, I fucking hate that. Okay, it's fine. All right, redo. That was even fucking worse. Oh my God, this is gonna take me a fucking year. You know what, that's good enough. Okay, U. Okay, that U is fine. B. Okay, it's going decent, I think. Sub. Not gonna lie, in the middle of that, I forgot what I was writing. Ugh, no, I feel like I should redo that again. That's kind of ugly. Nope, ugly. I've decided that's ugly. Y'all see what I just did? Oh my God. Jesus. Okay. These are a little easier to redo. Okay, that was easy. Oh my God, okay. You guys just don't know what I've went through. I've re-iced this cake probably about 10 times now. And then I was like on Pinterest, I was like, okay, what easier can I do? And I was like, the writing is so cute. Just fucking do it. Just do it. I literally said, just do it. Just wing it. And it took me 5 seconds and I did it. But I wrote family instead because fuck subscribe. Subscribe to be a part of the family. Please actually subscribe because I thought I was just doing this for a video, but like, no, I'm actually like having fun and really trying on this cake just because I put so much fucking hard work into it. Like I deadass just picked out pink and yellow sprinkles from this huge bag of colored sprinkles. Picked out pink and yellow sprinkles to strategically place on this cake. You may think I'm joking. I'm really not. Why am I doing this? Don't know. 3 a.m. and I'm doing this. Do I have to? Absolutely not. Am I gonna? Yes. It is currently 2:28 a.m. and I'm finally done my cake. I am so proud of myself. You guys don't understand. I think it actually turned out really freaking good. And I wasn't expecting it to turn out like this. Not gonna lie. Like, oh my God. I just made this cake. Like, I just made this cake. Like, I made this cake. I should literally quit YouTube to become a baker. I'm so proud of myself. Like, this looks so good. I mean, obviously it's like a lot messier, but I think like I kind of got the concept right. Wow, okay. I feel like it's time to cut into it and see if it's actually good though, because it could taste like shit for all we know. Why am I so nervous? Like, my hand is shaking. Are y'all ready? Because I'm really not. Okay. Oh my God, and it like looks cute inside. Hold on, I need a picture of this. What the frick? High key, very proud of myself. All right, I'm gonna taste it. I don't like cake, by the way, though, so. Okay, when I push into it, it's so moist. You guys see that? Like, it's not breaking apart or anything. Like, it's so moist. You say the word moist one more time, I'm gonna fucking punch myself. Okay. This is really good, but I must say, that's a lot of icing. Nah, I hate icing. I just hate shit like this, even though I made a whole cake. Please subscribe. I put a lot of effort into that. Like, way more than I thought I would, not gonna lie. Usually I half-ass these videos. I was dedicated to this. I did not have to make it look this pretty. Can you guys tell that I'm in shock about like how proud I am of myself? Anyways, if you guys enjoyed, make sure to follow my social medias on the screen. I post Monday, Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sundays, and I don't know if this is almost December when you guys are watching this, but I post every single day in December. So subscribe to see those videos, but until next time, peace.
East and the west, I'm racking up on my breath, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her. Hey, I'm thinking I should've rest.